Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol POTN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of time, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see, especially on this one where I'm not sure if this was actually legit. Did the price actually go down there, or is that what we would call, a fat finger trade? But either way, given that that was only one data point, I'm just going to kind of ignore the fact that the price went down there, if it did, and I'm going to focus on more so kind of the nearer term areas where there's just a lot more data points. So with that being said, the main level of support that seems to have really been established today, right here at basically 26 cents. You can see right here, like I said, going back to data points, there's only that one time, if it even did, go down there. But there is, basically 4 times right there where the price did bounce right off at 26 cents. So I definitely feel a lot more comfortable given what the chart's telling us, that seems to be the true level of support right there at 26. So 26 really did do a good job of establishing itself as support. And in fact, also acted as kind of the little miniature trampoline point where now the price has been able to bounce and start to work its way back upwards over the course of the day. So on that note, there's no doubt about it. Yeah, the price stabilized there and then started to work itself back upwards. But if this move is going to build on itself and continue to kind of garner some more momentum and organic strength, where are some of these key levels of resistance at? And with this one, very straightforward. It's really all about that purple line right there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Even if you have a very basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-period. And you know that when the price is below it, it does tend to act as resistance. By no means is it impossible to break through or anything like that. But yeah, it's usually one of those situations where, the price really does need to bring its A game if it is going to be able to fight above that level and then also be able to stay up above it. So that purple line, again, 50-period simple moving average, definitely that key area of resistance if this current upwards price movement is going to, build on itself. Yeah, overall it was kind of rough with the gap down. But like I said, you got to give credit where credit's due, and the bulls certainly did after stabilizing, started to work their way back upwards. So now it's just a question of can the bulls, continue to build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.